Them are the Asian duckies. There's my aunt and grandma. They're walking, I think, to waiting for us. Bye-bye, Asian duckies. And this is a gun. I shoot them with. Oh. And apparently Megan has found her first friend, butterfly, on this journey. Oh, look, best of me. Bing. And looks like they're going down to the pond. Look, there goes the duck. Hey! Ooh. Watch him.
Taking the landing.
And no. I give that a 10. I give that a 9. John T. There's some ducks down there.
Yep.
What would you give him? What would you give his landing? 9, 10, 8?
I'd give him 9.5.
9.5? I give him a perfect 10. I guess they're heading back up. If we find... You can turn it off.
Okay.